Good morning, students. Good morning. Nobody is there to speak.
Sir, Salam alaikum.
Good morning. Walaikum salam.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Loudly, बेटा loudly. थोड़ा आवाज तो बढ़ाओ तुम्हारा आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. आवाज बहुत धीमी आ रही है आप लोगों की.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 student.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
वेरी गुड. लो बाकी सब कहाँ गए? नकवी जकी हसन, Saidi Muhammad Taqi. Come on, write your names fast. Fasi Abbas.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning, Mandalia. Lakhani Mendi. Muki Missam. Merchant Zishan. Dar Shujat. Alari Ayan. Lakhotra Muhammad Zohair. Muhammad Reza Jamani. Anybody else remaining to write the name? Yes or no? आवाज कब की स्लो क्यों आ रही है? रुको ऑफिस से मैं ज्वाइन होता हूँ. Okay, again I am back. Okay.
ओके सर।
Now voice is clear. So in which lesson we were there in offline class?
लेसन नंबर
चैप्टर
एट।
नंबर 8
फाइव।
एक्सप्लेनेशन।
नंबर एट।
Lesson number 8. Very good. India challenges and solution. Okay, very good. Those who are joining new, please write the names. Huh? Who has joined new? Raujani, Zabir. Okay, very good. One time I will speak the name, then we will start the class. Okay?
ओके।
Okay. Dar Shujat. Dar Shujat.
यस सर।
Gondalya
शेत
Mendi Abbas.
शेताधार येते।
यस सर।
Halari Ayan.
यस सर।
Zamani Muhammad Reza.
यस सर।
Kapasi Abbas.
यस सर।
Lakhani Mendi.
Yes, sir.
Lakhotra Muhammad Zohair.
यस सर।
Merchant Zishan Haider.
यस सर।
Nakwi Zaki Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Zaidi Muhammad Taki,
Yes, sir.
Rojani Zabir, Rojani Zabir, Mukhi Missam, Mukhi Missam is not there. Okay, let us start now. Those who are remaining now, they can write the names. Okay, let us start our session now.
Sir, we will offline class fifth lesson over.
Beta, I know, beta. Beta, I know.
Eighth lesson abhi.
That I know, beta, very well. Huh? That I know. Anything else? Shall we start? All of you are having the textbook?
Yes.
Yes.
Who is not having
Yes,
the
sir.
textbook? Write in the chat box. Those who are not having the chat books, write no. Okay, Shujat is not having. Kondalya is not having. Kapasi is not having. Very good. Chalo, I have to present my screen. Okay, now?
Yes.
Okay, I will present my screen. Wait for 2 minutes only, not more than that. Okay, let us start now. I will present my screen. Okay? All of you can see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Very good. Chalo, let us start now with lesson number 8. Okay, I think first paragraph we have finished up. Second also
Yes.
finished. We are in third paragraph or
Sir, finish.
Sir, third also over.
third also over. So we were in the this classification of challenges faced by India. Okay. Now what is the challenges the India are facing? What are the challenges that India are facing? It is divided into four parts. How many parts?
Four.
Four.
Four
Four
parts.
parts.
First one is the internal problem. Internal problem means
Inside.
the problem which we are having inside our country only. In India only, the problems which we are facing. जो हम फेस कर रहे हैं हमारे इंडिया के अंदर ही, नॉट आउटसाइड, इट इज इन इनसाइड। सेकेंड वन, रीजनल प्रॉब्लम्स। सबसे पहले काम करते हैं, लेट अस डिसाइड फर्स्ट इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम्स। ओके, इन इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम फर्स्ट वन इज ओवर पॉपुलेशन। व्हाट इज दिस? ओवर
Overpopulation.
population. Second is illiteracy. No education, no money, nothing is there. Third one, inflation. Inflation means, what is inflation? Chalo, find it out fast. Let us see who is going to find first. कौन ढूंढ के लाएगा? You are having the mobile? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Find from the Google. Come on, fast. Let us see who will find first.
Rise in price level.
Very good. Rises price level. Very good. Excellent. Inflation means the price level is day by day increasing. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Uh, who said no? Somebody said no. Price increase नहीं हो रहा बेटा? Next is poverty. Poverty means
Garibi.
garibi. Or we can say the people who are poor and day by day they are becoming poor and poor. Okay. Unemployment,
Berojgar.
berozgari means we are not getting the job easily. Urbanization is also same. Communalism. Communalism means community problem. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Corruption. Next is corruption. What is corruption? That you know very well. You don't
Rishwat.
know. Corruption means our India is very much corrupted. Means whatever work we have to do, especially for the government work, what we have to do, we have to pay money. Okay. We are going to pay money, then only our work will be fast. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Without paying money, our work will be pending for a long time. It will take much time. If you give money, your work will be done immediately. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Next is terrorism. Terrorism means
Atangwadi.
Atangwadi. Wow, wow, very good. Okay, these are the internal problems. Now regional. Regional means religious problem. Which problem?
Religious.
Religious problem. Discrimination based on language. Means in all over India, so many languages are spoken. Spoken, no?
Yes.
Yes.
India, only not only there is one language, there are so many languages. So all their state, all their town, all their villages, all their city, they are having their own languages. Their religions are having the same thing. उसके पास भी ऐसी different language होती है. Okay? Border problems we don't have. Border means तो पता है ना आपको?
Yes.
If we are entering to another state, we can easily go to that border. But if we go out of the India, then there is a problem. In India, we can travel anywhere.
Yes.
But outside India, what we need?
Passport, visa.
We need passport, visa, each and everything. Okay. Now natural problems. What are the natural problems?
flood,
famine,
famine,
earthquake,
earthquake,
tsunami,
earthquake, tsunami,
cyclone.
volcano, cyclone.
famine,
These all things you know very well what it is there.
kudrat.
Natural problem means the problems which are given by God. Yes or no? We are not doing this problem, but these are given by
God.
God.
God. It is a natural thing. Now let us first begin with overpopulation. चलो जोहिर भाई रीड करो.
Yes, sir. Overpopulation. Malav had to attend his maternal uncle's marriage. He came to the bus stand with his mother. It was very crowded. The bus arrived, but there was no place to sit. He could not board the bus as everybody was pushing one another. Thus, he could not reach his uncle's place in time. Why do you think this happened?
Okay.
In the
Okay. Afterwards you read it. So if you are going to your uncle's marriage, you are not having the vehicle, but you have to travel it by the bus, by the railway, whatever it is. Got it? But now what happened? It was overcrowded. Overcrowded means what is overcrowded?
too much people.
So many peoples were there on the bus stand. Everybody was waiting for the bus. And then you will not get the bus. And there was not even the place to sit also. बैठने के लिए भी जगह नहीं थी. कहाँ जगह नहीं थी?
बस में बैठने की जगह
बैठने
नहीं.
की भी जगह नहीं थी. And there are so many peoples were there in the bus. But what happened as the bus came, all were pushing each other. बस आती है तो एक दूसरे को पुश तो करते हैं. They are pushing each other. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Why?
जगह लेने के लिए.
Especially to get inside the bus and we need to sit in the bus. For sitting only, people are trying to go. They are pushing each other that first will get the seat. So in this thing, Malav cannot get inside the bus also. He could not get inside the bus also. So at the what happened? He could not reach his uncle's place for marriage. Now make a list of crowded places you have observed. So where you see the people are very crowded.
Bus, train,
Hotel.
bus, train, hotel.
Restaurant is there, but a hotel is not there. Restaurants we can get it. Public places we can get it. In the railway station, bus station,
Mall,
marriage function,
garden.
gardens. There are public places which are there. There we can see the publics which are gathering a lot. Okay, read the next paragraph. Zoher.
Yes, sir. In the previous chapter, we have studied about overpopulation and its effects. The root cause of almost all the problem is overpopulation. Let's think about the ways to control population. Increase in population means increase in demand for facilities and
Infrastructure.
infrastructure. Infrastructure. Population growth outgrowth grows the growth of economy. In other words, the population growth is more and faster than the growth of economy.
Okay, very good. So what it is there that you know if there is overpopulation, if there is overpopulation, what are the demands increasing? Which are the demands increasing? First thing,
Facilities.
that the person who is coming in this world, he needs all types of facilities. He needs clothes, or he or she, whatever the human beings are there, they need clothes, they need to eat, they need the place to live. Okay, yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Then also infrastructure means there need to be one more room, one more house to be there. So what happened? The trees are day by day cutting off. You know very well the trees are cutting. कट हो रहे हैं ना trees के नहीं कट हो रहे हैं?
Yes. Cut
Yes.
हो रहा है.
Why the trees are cutting? Because trees are cutting to get the place empty and there they are building the houses. वहाँ पे वो house बनाते हैं. They are preparing the houses
Hub.
and even the trees which are cut, they are used for making furniture. Okay. So what happened in this? Each and everything needs more. सब कुछ ज़्यादा चाहिए. We need more. Now you can see that one activity is given. Prepare a graph showing population increase from 1951 to 2011. Now you have to prepare this chart. What you have to do? You have to prepare the chart. Okay. So already chart is there. See, already it is there. You just have to mark it and you have to make a graph. क्या करना है आपको?
Graph.
ग्राफ बनाना है. So got it? So
Yes.
prepare it. You have to prepare it and send me on my WhatsApp number.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Gondalya, read करो.
Yes, sir. According to the census 2001, the total population in India was 102 crore, which in 2011 has gone up to 121 crores. It means there was an increase of 18.14 crores. Our population leads to certain man-made challenges such as pollution, congestion in the
Congestion. Congestion.
residential areas, shortage of water and food, medical service, education, opportunities, unemployment,
Yes, yes, continue.
corruption, and terrorism. Hence, it becomes necessary for the government to take certain steps to control the growth of population.
Okay. Mendi, where is your friend?
Muhammad,
Ah, your friend Jamani Muhammad Reza.
I don't know. I don't know.
हाँ क्लास में तब दोनों in class you are both you are sitting together. Yes sir, no Zoher. No Zoher.
Yes.
They both are close friend. Ayan, you are not going to speak anything. Alari.
સર દરરોજ બીજા લેક્ચરમાં જોઈન થાય સાજે નથી.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Alari Ayan.
Yes, sir.
Tell to Gondalia Mendi where is your friend?
As we're here.
મને હું છે ગોંડલ.
Speak. You tell to Gondalia. La.
એને
Ayan
સર
is not
સમજાવ.
speaking only.
સર મારું
Okay.
ગળું નીટ નીકળી ગયું સર.
Okay, no problem.
Nice.
Chalo. In 2011, listen now, in 2011, the population was how much? 102 crores. But now it has gone up to, sorry, in 2001 it was 102 crores. But in 2011, how much it is now?
121.
121
So
crore.
now you can see in within 10 years, how many years? Within 10 years, 18.14 crore. This much population has increased. So what it happened, the population increases, there is a congestion. Congestion means, do you know? Yes or no?
No.
Congestion means if we are living in the place all together and suppose a guest comes in our house, then what it will happen? अगर कोई गेस्ट अपने घर पे आ गया, एक तो ऑलरेडी जगह कम है, तो फिर क्या होगा? क्या होगा? अरे यार, if
Ladi
you are
Miss.
living at your home, you are having only 2 rooms to at your home, and suddenly the guest comes, then what it will happen?
Extra એની જગ્યા જોવે.
જગ્યા એની જોવે તો we are congested now. Congested means we are now પેલું કે આમને સામને ભટકાઈ હવે. For we are only 4 or 5 members. Now 5 members again came. Now place is very short. હવે short place થઈ ગઈ ને?
Yes. Yes.
First we were only 5 students. Sorry, we are only 5. But now it has increased to 10. So the places are now congested. We are coming in front each and every minute. Okay. And we need so many things. Water, food, medical services, education, all the things needed for the people who are coming. The population is increasing. So what to do? Should we increase the population? Are we
No.
going to increase the population? No or yes? Yes. As well.
No.
Nobody is giving me the answer. Give it answer fast.
No, sir.
Okay. Now let us move to the illiteracy. What is illiteracy? Okay. So Ayan, beta read it.
સર એનું ગળું ખરાબ છે.
ગળું ખરાબ થઈ જવા દો. તો જમાણી મોહમ્મદ રઝા એ જમાણી મોહમ્મદ રઝા
Sorry, cricketer માં ગયો છે.
વેરી ગુડ. ચલો પ્રેઝન્ટ તો થઈ ગયો, ખાલી પ્રેઝન્ટ પ્રોગ્રામ ભાગી ગયો. કપાસી અબ્બાસ.
Yes, sir.
Start reading.
Yes, sir.
So read करो फटाफट. What are the time you are taking, बेटा?
Illiteracy major factor hindering the progress of a nation. Literacy is
Literacy.
required.
Literacy.
Literacy is required to understand new idea, discoveries, and knowledge. And educated person can effectively communicate and explain his idea, opinion, views, and beliefs. When we attend independence, the literacy rate was quite low, but due to the efforts of government, awareness toward education has increased in the literacy rate has gone up in the country.
Okay. So it is a big problem, illiteracy. Illiteracy means a person who is not literate. Okay. So the progress of nation is not going up. If you are not studying properly, one example I will give you. If you are not studying properly, will your result go up or down?
Down.
Down.
Down. Like this also in our country, most of the people are illiterate. Most of the people are illiterate. So if a person is educated, अगर पर्सन एजुकेटेड है तो क्या होगा? If a person is educated, then easily he can communicate. Communicate means he can talk with each other. He can explain his ideas, opinions and views and belief. If you are educated, if you are studying well, you know about all the things, then you can give idea to your father, to your friends, to your teachers. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
For
sir.
example, घर में कुछ चल रहा है, घर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. Now you are listening, you are understanding. But if you are educated, अगर तुम educated हो, तो तुम आइडिया दे सकते हो, वरना कुछ दे सकते हो? हाँ या ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If you are educated, then only you can give the idea. If you are not educated, if you cannot understand, then what you will do? Will you give idea?
No.
No.
No, that is the thing. When we attained independence, means when we got independence, we were free from Britishers. The literacy rate was quite low. Means at that time educated people were not there. When we got independence. When we got independence,
26 January.
26 January we were independence. Okay. But due to efforts of government has not stopped about the education. They have given importance more to the education. That's why our country has gone up. Otherwise, it would be still back only. If you are having the education, what you can do? You will get the job.
Yes.
You will
Yes.
get a job in the office. Very
Yes.
good job, very good salary. But if you are not having the education, then what will happen to you?
No give a job.
Nobody will give you the job. Then what you have to do? Which work you have to do? कौन सा वर्क करोगे फिर?
8-10 हज़ार की नौकरी.
नहीं, जॉब ही नहीं मिलेगी. You will not get the job only. Then
गम्मे सर.
you will be counted as a laborer. What you will count?
Labor. Labor.
Labor मतलब जो मजदूरी करता है, मजदूरी करता है. That is called the labor work. Okay. Okay, beta. So here we are stopping it up. Tomorrow we will start it. Tomorrow it is holiday. कल क्लास रखना है?
No.
No.
क्यों?
સર કાલે રખાય.
તો રખાય જ ને. હું તો કહું રખાય, હું તો કહું તો ક્લાસ લઉં.
No,
સર
sir.
કોઈ જોઈન નો થાય.
હા, sir.
અરે થાય તમ તારે.
સર કોઈ નો થાય.
Sir, કોઈ
અરે
નો થાય.
પાકું.
No
હા
થાય તો
સર
sir.
સર રાખજો
Done,
કામ
done.
તમારે.
આપણે ઓનલાઈન ચાલુ મૂકીને વ્યા જાવું પછી.
હા.
હા,
No,
sir.
but I will see. No, I will be online to see who is doing what.
હા
You
સર
get
તમે
that
તમારે
then all
જોઈ લેજો.
video will be on. બધાને
Sir,
સબકો
ખાલી
video
join.
on રખના.
Sir,
સર
ખાલી
તમે
join
જોઈન
થાય
તો
પછી
કરી
બીજા
દેશ.
જાહે.
Video
વયાઈ જાય.
I want the
પછી
video to
join
be
થઈને
on.
મોબાઈલ
Then
આપણે
I will
મૂકીને
go.
બીજા જાહે.
કાઈ નહીં સર ખુદનો ફોટો મૂકીને વયા જવાય. બીજું કાઈ નો થાય.
नहीं, ये तो मैंने बड़ी खबर पड़ी बेटा. I can see properly what they are doing. I want the live pictures.
સર બીજું શું કરશો તમે? ઓનલાઈનમાં
That I
તો
will
તમે
do it.
વાંચોય નહીં.
That I will do it.
ઓફલાઈનમાં આમ
Okay,
કરશે.
hello. Tomorrow, one day you may enjoy it by kite flying day. Okay.
Yes.
We will meet it on Saturday. May might be Saturday lecture will be there. Okay.
ઓકે
sir.
સર.
Okay, you may do the class now. Okay. Complete
Okay,
your books.
thank
Huh?
you, sir.
Don't forget. Complete
Thank
your
Okay.
books.
થેન્ક યુ સર બાય.
Okay, chalo. Khuda Hafiz.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
રાખો તો હું કરી.
Khuda Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz.
Oi, mama, se foto sua. Que tá com a
मामस करा लो मामस करा लो मामस
Mama.
कच्ची करा लो मामस करा लो हेलो कर हेलो हेलो
मामू कर मामू
अच्छा बात था नो 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 नहीं नहीं नो 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 अच्छा बात मामू खड़ा हो जा बोल मामा हाँ बात नहीं